Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best cheap keyboard pianos that are available on the market for their true quality. My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the USB and 61 lighted keys simulation piano keyboard. With a simple interface, this keyboard piano has 61 keys, and there is also a lighting function. It comes in the shape of a traditional piano key and will let you enjoy it. This has 255 rhythms, 255 timbres, as well as 50 songs for demonstration. It is very colorful and has quality effects and sounds. Moreover, it comes with multiple functions and patterns like MP3 player function, rhythm programming, fingered chord, and record and playback. It comes in a complete set and will deliver high-quality music. Furthermore, you will also be getting a music stand, stool, keyboard stand, and headphone. This runs with the help of 12 volts AC adapter and has an LCD display. This is very suitable for beginners and will guide the learners. It is one of the best cheap keyboard pianos on the list. Moving on at number 4, we have the standard electronic piano keyboard set. In this keyboard, you will find many functions making it ideal for beginners. This has an LED display screen where it guides you with the correct notes. Furthermore, beginners will learn to have more control as there are also 50 demo songs. This has a total of 61 keys and comes with a unique MP3 player. Apart from this, you will get high-quality effects and sound, and it has also concluded multiple patterns. Moreover, it comes in a complete set like headphone, music stand, keyboard stand, adapter and music stool. It has a master volume, and there is also tempo control. In addition to this, you will find a number of other functions like a fingered chord, fill-in, a calm volume, keyboard percussion, and a single finger. At number 3, we have the Arius Series Digital Console Piano. Here is a keyboard piano which has the features of an acoustic piano. It comes from a popular company and is available in 2 different colors. The structure of this piano makes it absorb moisture and durable even after continuous use. This will not have a slippery fabric and will remain tactile. Moreover, it has advanced wave memory stereo sampling which will create a natural instrument sound. In this, you will find dual mode which will let you connect to 2 voices at one time. This will give a new kind of playing experience and is ideal for individuals who are into music. Furthermore, you can control it with an iOS app and have a graphical user interface. You can also easily navigate and configure the piano with the help of the app. At number 2, we have the 61-key digital music piano keyboard. With everything to learn, this keyboard piano has many deluxe features. This is a versatile product which will let you have an acoustic experience. It has many sound options, and you will track everything on the LCD screen. Moreover, this is very easy to set up and comes with a comfortable tool and stand. There is also a detachable stand to hold the music sheet. This is lightweight and has a tremendous sound effect. Furthermore, it is flawless, and you can even attach it with a headphone or microphone. It comes in a standard size and will provide you with a traditional feel. This is complete with various demo songs, keyboard percussions, timbres, and rhythms. This is compact and lightweight and will also allow extended play sessions with the power adapter. And finally at number 1, we have the 61-key portable electronic keyboard piano set. If you are looking to have an authentic range of sound, this is the one for you. It's one of the best cheap keyboard piano by Hamzer. The keyboard piano is an integrated learning system for you. This has standard size keys and will offer amazing sound. This has a total of 510 rhythms and timbres, and there are also keyboard percussions and demonstration songs. Moreover, this has an acoustic feeling and is a flawless product. You can learn the various advanced sound options, and everything will be on the LCD screen. Everything is easy to set, and you can comfortably hold the music sheet in a detachable stand. The piano is loaded with features and effects like rhythm sync, master volume control, sustain and ensemble, edit rhythm, and fingered auto bass chord. Furthermore, there is also the function of record and playback. You can easily connect it with a headphone or microphone, and you will also be getting a stool and stand. You can also adjust the height according to your preference. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.